Pick apart your every word, push it down like I'm unconcerned. I've been damaged and it shows. When can you tell? Wait until you finally call my bluff. Kiss shit, I'm so hyper vigilant. I admit it, I'm taking score. Just to throw it in your face. Don't know why I do these things. Don't wanna be me anymore. Controlling myself, make it fit. I'll still be anxious as hell. Do you even know? Do you even know? Still be anxious as hell. Do you even know? I can't really help this shit. I'm so hyper vigilant.
Kamusta mga stick? Welcome back sa ating channel. For today's video, we have another reaction all the way from Indonesia, Rizky Rian. So, episode 63 na tayo. Wala nang hintuan to. Wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. Let's do this!
No.
Oh, come on. That's my man. That's a great man. Nakaisa naman si Pogi.
Pick apart your every word, push it down like I'm unconcerned. I've been damaged and it shows. When can you tell?
That's the great man. Oh, come on. That's the real Rose. Tunay na Rose ang binigay sa kanya. Nakadiskarte na naman si Pogi. Napakagandang babae. Nice, man. Come on, man. That's the great man. Woo! Come on, man. That was nice. Oh yeah. Oh no. Discarding malupit. Ang tawag doon, discarding malupit. Ayan oh. Napaka. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, sa ganun lang nakuha. Napakabilis. Nice, man. Pakipot pa. Nice. Ito hindi na plastic to ah. Real rose na ito. Take a look at this. Kilig na kilig. At hindi malaman ang gagawin. Check this out. Oh. Come on. That was nice. Ang diskarte talaga ng isang gwapo ay napakasimple lang. Pero, rock! Talagang may in love sa kanya ang mga chicks. Gulat eh, no? Oh. Beautiful. Oh, man. Pantama ang kanilang mga mata. Nag-spark ang kanilang mga paningin. Oh, mayroon din pala siya, oh. That was nice. Ang galing ng script. Napakalupit. Ito. Oh. Oh, how sweet, my friend. How sweet you are. Take a look this girl. Love na in love. Kilig na kilig. Take a look at this, man. Kung bata pa siguro ako, ganyan, lubiskarte. Mas malupit pa dyan. Script pa. Daan, di halata. Nice. Ganda ng shirt niya. Ganda ng style. Habol pa, habol. Ba? Boyfriend, oh, mag-boyfriend. Nakadali na naman. Sama ng tingin ng boyfriend, ha? Magkahawak kamay pa yan, ha? Tinan mo. Nako, patay kinil. And so, ayun na nga. Marami na namang na-prank at marami na namang pinaasa si Mr. Pogi ng Indonesia. Walang iba kundi si Rizky Rian. Dito lang ating reaksyon. Mabuhay Indonesia, mabuhay Pilipinas.
All we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what